Let's see how it goes. I don't know which way to go right now. Pingan? Come on, man. No? Sorry. Hello po. Out of nowhere. Vlogger.
Oh,
I'm going to Pinsal Falls now.
okay.
Can you connect the internet so I can check it out?
Okay.
Maybe you can go for Wi-Fi. That's fun.
Yeah.
Oh, well, oh my God, this is not the route for Pinsal?
No.
Okay.
Oh,
We are here.
Yeah.
So how to go? Wait, I had to go back.
Yes.
Oh, I come so long. So you need to go back.
Yes.
I need to go back here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Have to go back.
Thank you. Nice to meet you. Thank you.
Nice to meet you.
You can see yourself in the video later. I recorded everything. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Unfortunately, I took a wrong way. Probably I went 3 kilometers in the wrong side. Hello po. This is the way to Pinsal Falls?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Direct lang.
Straight?
Yes.
Okay.
Follow me.
Follow you? If you like this video so far, please like and comment below. And subscribe to my YouTube channel will be awesome. Thank you. Now the time 3:35. 1 more kilometer. Then I don't know how long to walk. Let's go and find out. There's the bridge. Take it.
Naked one.
Say hi, it's recording. Yeah.
Are you
video
vlogger?
clip. I'm a vlogger. Take the
Awit ka sa
Yeah.
wag na.
Amin ka sa tawag na.
Follow namin to. Follow nyo guys. Follow na. Follow na yun. The channel.
What? Ano?
Right. How to pronounce
You can say Raj. It's okay. Raj.
Raj.
So another 500 meter. I'm going there, going to jump in the water.
Wow. Yes. Good.
I'm going to fly my drone. You wanna come over there?
Yes.
The water is
You
cold.
jump. Punta.
I don't care. I'm gonna jump.
Kasama mo kami.
You come. You have vehicle, come. Let's go.
Bye.
Come on, yeah. Thank you. Very friendly people. And registration, name, address. Okay. There is no entrance fee, but you can put some donation over there. That's the situation. The water level is little bit less. Municipality of Lupao, Nueva Ecija. That's how it is. So that's it. This is the name board. You have a couple of cottages over here. I don't know still how far I had to go. The water was crystal clear right now here. Wow. The water is really little bit over there in the falls. Not much. You need to come in the rainy season. Probably you'll get more water. Wait a minute. Daji. You can manage to go.
There, bro.
Stay over channel, bro.
Do you understand Tagalog?
Konti lang.
Ano lang? Ano putang ina?
I give you a sticker. I give you a sticker.
Go.
So the water is so shallow, I had to jump like this. Fantastic. But it's a little bit cold, it's gonna be fine. Okay. Wow. Wow. Not bad. I don't know how much you can see me. Wow. Okay, here it goes. Not bad. Not bad. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below. And subscribe to my YouTube channel will be awesome. Thank you.
Wag mag-alala, hindi ko ipipilit sa'yo. Nalilipas ang isip ko'y korekte sa'yo. Ilang gabi bang marang at tayo'y
Keep singing it. I'm here for a very good waterfalls, but right now the water is very little. But I meet so many people over here, it makes a little bit more better. Otherwise, it's very empty-handed. I'm going back. At least now I meet somebody, so at least I have something to do it. I came here for waterfalls, jump in the water. I jump it. Only problem is the water is very little. Either way, I complete my mission. Now I had to go back. Thank you for watching. Please like and comment below. And subscribe to my YouTube channel would be awesome. I see you guys next video soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.